Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious banana ice cream. Let's start with the banana mango ice cream. To make our banana mango ice cream, we are going to need 2 frozen bananas plus 1.5 cups of frozen mango and a 1/4 cup of soy milk. We are going to blend everything together until we have a very nice, creamy, and thick ice cream. Okay, I'm using a wooden spoon to turn my mixture. Okay, once you see the result like this, that means your ice cream is ready. Let's put it in the loaf pan. Then we are going to put in the freezer and do our next flavor, which is the strawberry ice cream. So for all this ice cream, we are using frozen banana as our base. Strawberry, 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen strawberry, and 3 teaspoons of soy milk. We are going to blend everything until we have this nice thick ice cream. Then we are going to blend again a little bit and then remove from our blender and put it back in the freezer. Let's do the last flavor, which is the chocolate ice cream. We need 2 cups of frozen banana, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of soy milk, and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Then our ice cream is ready. We put it back to our loaf pan and then we will freeze it for like 2 hours before we can have this delicious ice cream. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to put it back to my freezer. Okay, let me know in the comment below if you tried the ice cream and if you like it. It is time to try the ice cream. Look at the texture. It's looking delicious. It's really delicious. I'm going to have another one. If you like banana, just try this ice cream. But if you don't like banana, it's okay. I have another recipe with the coconut milk. I'm going to share it very soon. Look at the ice cream. It's looking, I'm telling you, it's delicious. That's why I'm having another cup of this ice cream. It's creamy, it's tasty, it's just delicious. Okay, let's try this ice cream. So refreshing. It's delicious, my friends. It's delicious. You gotta try this ice cream before the end of this summer. Look at the chocolate. It's delicious. Okay, this ice cream is really delicious. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new video. Thank you for watching.